Hi there and welcome to the walk around video of the Mini Cooper D 1.5 here at your next car. So of course we're going to start with a walk around the exterior of the vehicle whilst I talk you through some of the features and options. Then I'm going to make my way around. I'm going to go ahead and sit inside the vehicle and talk you through and show you around some of the interior features. So the vehicle itself is presented in the very nice Moonwalk Grey. And as you can see, it is a very nice colour indeed, and it seems to suit the gloss black roof and the gloss black mirror caps indeed. So as mentioned, we'll go ahead and start with looking around. Up front, you also get the gloss black number plate recessed there. Alloy wheels are the original BMW Mini 16-inch alloy wheels, and they're in fantastic condition all the way around. Down the side, you'll note that we also get the privacy glass. And we'll go ahead and take a quick glance at the interior, which once again does not disappoint, much like the exterior colour. We get these lovely up front half bucket seats with the half tartan and then half centre in leather. Another nice feature on the BMW Mini Group, especially on this new shape, new year, is the interchangeable ambient lighting. So inside here, as you can see there, the little door handle pulls is the nice ambient lighting, and that goes on throughout up into the interior lights, which is all interchangeable, and we'll get through that in a minute. Rear space on the Mini, obviously always a talking point, is how big is it? Plenty big enough in there, and of course it is a nice fixed rear bench, so you can of course put two child seats, or if not, you can of course fit two people in there. And I have sat in the back of one of these quite a few times, and I've never found myself not to be comfortable. Alongside the dash, we get a very nice carbon fibre reflector trim, and we'll go through everything in a bit more detail very soon. As I've mentioned, on the roof we get the very nice gloss black, which ties in very nicely with the grey of the body colour. Moving round to the rear, once again being the newer shape Mini, we do get them lovely chunky LED lights. Opening up the boot again, this is where a lot of people will start to talk about how big is the boot on a Mini. Surprisingly, it is big. You can get plenty enough in there, and of course if you are struggling, you can split fold the seat should you require to. So we'll go ahead and close that, and we'll go around to the other side now and show you just how nice this body colour works with all of the gloss black trimmings and the silver alloy wheels. Owing to the fact that obviously BMW do own Mini, it does bring over quite a few of the characteristics from there, i.e. the transmission is from a BMW, as is the run flat tyres and the tyre pressure monitoring system as well. So still maintaining all of the quirks of a Mini, however the practicality and sensible of the BMW range. Moving on inside now, we'll go through some of the interior features and options. So as you can see here, we've still got the funky cool big dial in the centre. And again, this is where BMW have brought some of their knowledge and some of their traits over from their vehicle range. It does display it pretty much exactly like the BMW range do. So if you've watched any of the BMW videos on the channel, you know pretty much what you're going to be looking at. Up here, we've got the service record of the vehicle. If we click back to the main menu, it does slightly differ on how it looks. However, it is all pretty much based on the same thing. This particular Mini Cooper D we've got here has the DAB function, as you can see there. If we click back to the main menu, you also see we've got a wide array of multimedia inputs, including Bluetooth audio and the music collection. We've also got the satellite navigation, as you can see there, and it is the professional wide one, so we do get the much wider screen with the option to split the screen. And of course, you've also got Bluetooth for Bluetooth telephone and audio. And as I've mentioned, up there is the ambient lighting, which is all interchangeable, which, believe you me, if you've got little ones, they're going to find that amazing and have you changing the colour every 5 minutes. But not to worry, because everything is nice and sturdy and built extremely high, to a high quality, inside of here. And down here, just below the gear stick, which in here we have the superb automatic gearbox, which is a 7-speed. With of course the manual mode to switch to a Tiptronic manual mode. We have the rocker switch for sport or green mode. So if we start the vehicle up and we switch it to sport, as you can see there, we get a funky little message come up and the dial glows red. So in sport mode, maximum go-kart feel. So again, Mini just bringing on some of their funky little perks to it. However, it's still controlled by BMW Sensible. And then of course you can turn it into a low consumption driving vehicle. So that will finish off our walk around for the little Mini Cooper D. I do of course hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful, but most of all guys, we do hope to see you very, very soon. As I say, all of the information can be found down below in the description, and of course I will leave a link for our website so you can find out any prices and finance information for this car or any of our others. Thanks for watching guys, do of course take care, thank you, goodbye.